Now it's time for the product entity. The first step, as usual, will be to declare the attributes. So here we have ID, number, name, string, description, string, price, number, and the registry dates. Now I will perform those known steps, and I ask you to do the same on your own once again. If you forget one of the steps, please refer to the corresponding lesson in the complementary material. You can find all the steps detailed there. As for the default page size, I will use 20. So I will just perform these steps and come back quickly. Alright, I have performed the steps, and now I will just define the name as unique, like with category, and I will define description as nullable, because the product description is optional. Now, the only property that is still not correctly mapped to the database is price, because a number property is by default mapped to the Postgres database as an integer. And the price, if we consider it as one of the most common currencies, should be a decimal number with 2 decimal places. So let's define this. I will then set the option type to be decimal. And now, as I want to use decimal places, I also need to specify the total number of digits with the precision option. I will use, for example, 6. And now the decimal places, represented by scale, will be 2. And now it is correctly mapped. Now let's give attention to the relationship between category and product. A category can have many products, and a product can belong to many categories. So we can see that this is a many-to-many relationship. It will be very similar to the other relationships we've already implemented. I'll start on the category side. So as I said, this will be very similar to what we've already done. And in this case, I will use the many-to-many decorator. And now for the other side. And as this is a many-to-many relationship, we also have to use the joint table decorator to define the implicit intermediary table. I'll set it here on the product side, and also use the option name, because the default name is a bit weird. So I'll set the name to product to category. So with this, we can then finish the lesson. I will just generate and run the migration, and commit the changes. Creating product entity and handling many-to-many relation. So, until the next lesson.